fish. Get rid of that because it'll get rid of those ants out of here. Stupid people. Throw your bait fish back in the water when you're done with them. So, these are my brand new shoes, and I was supposed to wear these stuff magnet fishing. But I didn't really have a choice because they're the only shoes I have. Besides my Nikes that aren't possible to use for anything except for walking around. So yeah. I actually bought them as working shoes, but then I quit that job. I quit the job to go to Indiana, but then things fell through, and so I'm still stuck here in Florida. But not for much longer. I'll be out of here pretty soon. I'm on my way to Indiana, so yeah. I can't wait to go to Indiana. Seriously, cannot wait. There is something really big, and I think I picked it up too. Hopefully I picked it up, whatever it is. I don't think I picked it up. No, I didn't pick it up. Darn it. I think that's the same thing I was trying to get up the last time I was here. I was not able to ever get it up. Whoops, sorry. You guys are positioned good anyways. Just got my hat all wet though. Oh well. Worth it to make sure that you guys are still centered properly. Yeah, there is something huge down there. And I don't think my man is powerful enough to move it. Yeah, there's something massive down here. But I'm just sliding off of it. Let's go ahead and take a few more throws at it. See if we can get whatever this is. Alright, so it's probably a board. Cause look, I got a screw out of it, a bracket, or a clamp or something, and I got a washer, a bit of metal, a circle hook. Jeez, them ants are now biting me up now that I disturbed their fish. They're seeking revenge. They were eating the fish, so I was like, alright, so you guys gotta get out of here. And they're like, no, our food. But they shouldn't have been here anyways to begin with. Stupid people leaving their fish sitting around. Their bait fish. I want whatever that thing is so bad, and I completely missed it that time. I swear one of these days I'm gonna pull up an entire board, plank board. And then I'm gonna be celebrating because I pulled up wood. I pulled up wood, and it's not even magnetic. Yeah, that must be what that is. That must be like a wooden board or something. Alright, well, we're gonna continue on. So, I got another small hook. Look at that. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the magnetic field. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was hilarious. I just almost dropped my magnet on my foot. That would have sucked. If not a broken foot, definitely messed up foot. That would have been hurting for a while. So the reason why I decided to do this spot first, this side first, because I knew the sun was going to be coming up. So I figured I would get most of it done before the sun came up. But the sun came up sooner than I thought it was going to. Take a few more throws this way, and then go that way. So people were complaining about my audio, so if you can hear this, I'll be getting a new camera as soon as possible with the external mic, which will mean I might get ruined from rain or water of some sort. Whatever. Alright, so I got a double 1 ounce, a double 1 ounce drop shot rig setup with a small circle hook. Why you would need 2 drop shot weights on 1 rig, who knows? But that's nice though, to get those weights. And then I got the tube. I got the tube. It's no good a tube though anymore. That tube's been down there so long. How long? Way too long. That's a rock. Not even magnetic either. Or at least I think it was a rock. But it didn't look like trash. It looked like it belonged in the water, so I threw it back in. Yeah, and it sunk back down, so whatever it was is now at the bottom of the lake again. I don't normally throw stuff back unless I know it's meant to be in the water. Like, I won't even throw magnetic rocks back into the water because they're not supposed to be in the water, by the way, if you didn't know that. I mean, they're not harmful to the environment, but you're supposed to take your magnetic rocks with you and throw them in the trash or something, because they're not really supposed to be in the water. So I felt a whole bunch of stuff there. Let's see if we got something. I do have something. So a lot of the times when I feel stuff, what in the world type of hook is this? It has like a square lip. Jeez. What in the world type of hook is that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a circle hook and then it rectangles off. That's just bizarre. That is straight up bizarre. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's going on with that hook. Jeez. I've never seen a hook like that in my entire life. And then I got another watch battery. So this pier is super dangerous right now. It's leaning towards this side that I'm standing on, and the side I'm standing on is like sunken down, and when you walk on it, it feels like you're walking on the floor of a bando house that's degraded. It's like you walk on it and it sponges up and down, and you're like, ooh, better not put too much weight or too much force in my step. I'm gonna go right into the water. That's what it feels like, honestly. It's super sketchy. People be talking about they be fishing sketchy spots. Try fishing this pier. That's what really is sketchy, honestly. But any spot I fish, when I magnet fish, is sketchy. So yeah, whatever. I got you guys beat, honestly, because I fish in places where people would rather shoot you than talk to you. So yeah. Or people would rather rob you than talk to you. That's what kind of area I live in, so, and be in when I fish. Although the lakefront isn't exactly the worst spot that I fish for crime and stuff like that, but it isn't exactly a good place either. A lot of stuff happens here. There's a reason why they redid the lakefront, was because people were getting robbed and pistol whipped and all sorts of messed up stuff happening to them. So they're like, oh, we need to redo this, and they redid the lighting in that, so that way the crime went down in the area. And it did work, crime went down in the area, but it didn't get rid of all the robberies and muggings and stuff, so you don't want to be here late at night. Alright, so I got a broken piece of hook, and I don't know what this is. Is this one of those things? Yeah, this is one of those things that keeps your packages fresh. It's one of those fresh packet things. Jeez, people. The water does not need to be kept fresh. Throw it in the trash. Well, you know what I mean. It can't be kept fresh by those fresh packets, so. Water does need to be kept fresh. Fresh and free of trash. I can't believe I caught one of those things. I never in my life thought I would catch one of those things, magnificent. Man, there's a lot of wooden plates down here. You can just feel them. And I know you guys are like, what do you mean you can feel them? But you can feel them through the rope. And I've gone over so many wooden planks in shallow enough water and clear enough water that I could see that they're wooden planks, that I recognize the feeling of going over a wooden plank. And there's a lot of wooden plates down here. Like there's one right there. Let's see if I pulled any nails or screws or something off of it. Or fishing hooks, because a lot of people get hooked on it. And lose the whatever hook they're fishing with. Or lure or whatever they're fishing with. A lot of people lose them on the wooden planks. So this grass finally got tore up some, so I don't think the city did it. I think the wind tore it up enough. I should be able to fish through it now and get all the lures out of it that people got stuck in it when it was matted up really bad. Alright, so I got my second ever knife. Now you can correct me, but I think this is my second knife, pocket knife from the lakefront. Oh, and it's nice. A nice Gerber skeleton knife. Oh my god, nobody's gonna believe I got this. Alright, so I'm gonna have to take my glove off for this one. And I'm actually gonna put this knife up. This one's going straight into my backpack, by the way. It's such an expensive knife. Oh man, somebody was really mad to lose this. Well, alright, let's go ahead and see if we can operate this properly. So always have knife safety in mind when you're dealing with a knife. I'm just trying to dry it off, so. Alright. Alright. skeletonized Gerber pocket knife. Yes, sir. And I wasn't lying about putting that in my backpack. So I'll leave my backpack open because, yeah, why not? It had water stuff in it, so. Or the water stuff, the knife was wet. So kind of let that air out, so I'll leave that pocket open. Oh, my glove. I got so excited. I'm gonna take my other glove off. Recording. Yeah. You guys definitely saw that. You know very well that I don't edit my videos. Alright, so you guys know very well that I don't edit my videos, I don't alter them, I don't turn off my camera and throw out and stuff and turn it back on when I pull it up. So you guys know very well that that was not planted. I just caught that knife. That was a legitimate catch. It was not faked. So yeah. You guys can see for yourselves that I caught me a Gerber knife. Oh man. Can't believe it. I cannot believe it. And it was way out there too. Like, and it looked fresh too. Well, at least I thought it was way out there. I could have picked it up next to the fishing pier, but I have a double-sided magnet, so yeah, I think it was far out there. Like maybe somebody that was boating did that or something or another. So there's a guy coming to fish here. Good, yeah. Just got me a Gerber knife. Yeah, pulled it out the water. A Gerber knife, one of those expensive knives, pocket knives. Yeah, yeah. It's like a $50 to $100 knife, and I just found it. It looked brand new, like somebody had just lost it. I throw a magnet out and pull up anything that's metal. Yeah, most of it's trash, but that time I actually got a knife. I film it and put it on YouTube. That's why I do it. Yeah. It cleans up all the fishing line and stuff out the water too. Yeah. Where was it? The boat dock over there? Yeah. Right there where the platform is? Yeah, right in between the dock and the platform?
Yeah, right between the boats on this side, boats on this side.
Yeah.
That big slab of concrete.
Yeah.
Right there. With electrical box and all that shit right there, man. I threw it and it dropped. I was like, oh man.
What kind of reel was it?
It was like something like one of these.
Like a push button one?
Yeah.
Casting? Yeah. If I end up finding one like that, if I see you again, I'll let you know, and I'll give it to you.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Right down there on the end.
I recovered one of those push button ones, Zepco, underneath that dock over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
It looked like somebody had like caught something and pulled it in the water. Yeah. There's a lot of people that do it too. I thought I was like one of the only people that do it down here, but I find stuff that people leave. Really? Yeah, it's a popular thing to do now. Yeah, it came from Great Britain. Great Britain started it. Yeah, and then America's like, oh, well, we can't be outdone, so we gotta start doing it too. Yeah. You know the competition between us and Great Britain. After I finish this shot, I'll get out your way and go fish a different spot. Alright, so I got some fishing line up in this grass mat. So let's see if there's anything on it. So there's a tungsten. No, is that tungsten? No, that's just, yeah, that is a tungsten weight, it looks like. Yeah, a 1/2 ounce tungsten weight. And then a circle hook that's all bent and old. And just a bunch of fishing line. It looks like they were fishing maybe a drop shot rig? I don't know. Or just a worm rig of some sort. Yeah, you see all this fishing line I'm pulling out? This is in the grass mat. And then that like 1/2 ounce tungsten weight there. And then I fish too, so I use this stuff.
Yeah. Sounds good. It's good stuff there. Good idea, man.
Yeah, a lot of people, they ask me what I'm doing, even the workers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I just tell them, look, I'm just picking up trash. Yeah. Yep. The weights? Well, I can lock on the tungsten ones. The tungsten ones will lock on. But like the other ones, I just get the hook and they're attached to the fishing line. So like the hook will stick to the magnet and I'll just pull out the whole rig. Amazon. Yeah, yeah. Or you could go straight to Brew Magnetics. It's a company that's based here in the US, but you can buy them off of Amazon and they're comparable prices. But yeah, like they have a 3600 double-sided one for $90 right now, which is really good price. When I got this one, which was 2400 pound both sides, it was the highest pound that they had at the time, and it was almost $200. Yeah, but you could get a rig now for like $150 and get practically anything out of the water with it. But most people, like, I would suggest getting like a 1200 double-sided if you're just getting into it, and then one of these like rock climbing static ropes. But when you're throwing something like this, you want a static rope. You don't want a dynamic. Yeah. But the static rope's cheaper anyway, so it's a good thing. Crap. Almost lost it. See, what happens is people accidentally get caught in this grass mat. This is new too. It got pushed up by the hurricane Dorian. This wasn't here before Dorian. This grass mat here, it got pushed out from that